welcome you to our group session today. Before we begin, I'd like to share with you the purpose of why we're here. We're here mainly because, each and every one of you have experienced your parents divorcing, and so you're here to help process your thoughts and how you react to the divorce of your parents. But before we proceed, I'd like to pass along these to you. You could take as many as you can. Make sure that you keep account of how much you have. The general idea is that what I want you to do before you start eating your candy is make sure that you have a count of how many you have, and the amount that you have, you will share with the group some things about yourself, things that you like doing. All right. So, who wants to begin?
I guess I'll start since I got so many. I have 7 pieces of candy, so I need to share 7 things
Promptly, if you.
about myself.
Yes. Probably what you like doing, your
I
hobbies.
like doing hair. I love my dog. I'm very family oriented. I'm originally from Jamaica, and I'm learning Spanish.
Oh, wow, that's cool. All right.
Okay, I choose two, and the 2 things I enjoy doing, I love to listen to music, and when I have time, I love to bake.
Wow, great.
I have one. And so one thing that I like to do is I like to learn about history. And so either reading a book on history or going to a museum, learning about history.
Wonderful, wonderful. Okay.
I have one thing about me, I love my family. I'm very into my family. My mom is instrumental in that. She was a family person.
Okay. All right, so you can now enjoy your candy. As we continue, I'd like to, ask, what do you think, why do you think it's important to have rules in a group?
For order,
Okay, for order.
For respect.
Respect. Okay.
For structure.
Structure. Could you elaborate on that a little bit? What do you mean by structure?
I feel like everything in life should have structure, and structure is just guidelines.
Guidelines. Okay.
Pardon.
Okay. All right. Now let's take a look at these rules. We have here attendance. Attend regularly, promptness, honesty, participation, responsibility, and confidentiality. Confidentiality actually means that whatever we say here stays here. Okay, so because we'll be sharing the deep things, our feelings and our thoughts about our particular situation, so it's important that whatever we say remains here. Is that okay?
yeah.
Is there any other thing that you'd like to add to that group, to the set of rules that we have there? No? Okay. Now let's proceed. Okay. We will continue getting to know each other. Okay. So what I'll do next is that I'll pair you into groups of 2 dyads. I'll give you a list of questions that you will interview each other, and at the end of the interview, I'll give you about 5 minutes to interview. At the end, about 3 minutes. At the end of the interview, you will introduce the person that you interview. Its general purpose is that of this session is to get to know each other, so that we would feel a little bit more relaxed and as we share with each other. Is that okay?
Okay.
All right. So you decide who you want to be with, and let's do that in 2 minutes.
Okay, so I'm gonna get mine and separate.
5 years.
I currently live
We
with
currently live in Omaha.
Me and my sister.
and my parents been separated for the last 6 years.
Man.
I do have a pet.
You write that down, 'cause I don't remember all that.
You will not have to share everything.
3-year dog.
And well,
Oh, that's 2 years. Okay, for me,
You don't have to ask them all the questions.
okay.
I don't have a pet.
Is there anything else you would like to share? No, that's good.
Okay, you have 30
Who is
seconds.
the person you respect and why?
15 years.
Why? Okay. Tell me something that makes you special.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get back. Okay. Why don't we, at this time now, I'd like to process what you, well, before we process, I'd like you to introduce the person that you interviewed.
Norma's favorite subject is English. She doesn't have any pets, and her parents have been divorced for the last 15 years, and she likes to run for fun.
And Lydia, her parents been divorced for 3 years, and her favorite, she has a pet. She has a dog for her pet. Her favorite subject is mathematics.
Wow. Cool. Must be smart.
Juliet, her parents have been divorced for 5 years. She has 2 pets and a sister that she lives with.
Wonderful.
And Jackie, the person who is special to her is her mom, because her mom takes care of her, and she loves the hula hoop.
Okay, all right, wonderful. It's great to be able to share, and as we continue sharing, we'll feel comfortable with each other. Now let's process what we've learned from each other today. What similarities do you find in each other? Or do you find any similarities?
Well, that we are living with just one parent.
Okay, wonderful.
She has a sister and I have a sister as well.
Okay.
Well, we don't really have a similarity, but I like math and she likes English, so we would make a good team.
That sounds like to me. Okay. Next question is, what was there any difference?
Yes, she does not have a pet, and pets are important.
Her parents have been divorced for 5. My parents have been divorced for 2 years.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
And my parents have been divorced for 3 years, and her parents have been divorced for 15 years. So it's a really long time.
Yeah, it's a big gap there.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the difference between us is she has a pet also, which I don't have. I think that's good.
Okay. Now, today you've learned something about each other, right? And hopefully that would make you feel comfortable sharing with each other. As we come to the conclusion of this session, I'd like to do a round whereby I want you to complete a statement that I would give you. The statement goes like this. One thing I learned from group today was, you finish it.
One thing I learned from group today
experience is similar to hers. One thing I learned in group today is that there are many kids at the school, such as myself, that have parents that are divorced.
And mine is similar. Similar. That one thing I've learned today, I'm not the only child with parents.
Right. As we continue to meet, our sessions here will be about 8 sessions. As we continue to meet, we will learn more about each other, and we'll be open and be willing to express ourselves. We'll process our thinking and help each other deal with our situation. So next session, we continue learning